How to block spam text on iPhone quickly. So there are two ways of doing this. So firstly, what you're going to do, just open up your messages app and then select a random text that you've been getting or that you want to block. So for example, this number here, I'm keep getting some spam from this number. So all I have to do is tap on the contact, okay, and then go to the info option here. So select the info option, and then now what you have to do is tap on block caller and then block the caller. Tap on block and that's it. The caller will be blocked, so I won't be getting any text from this person anymore. So that's how one way of blocking it. The other way, what you can do is, this is not exactly a way of blocking, but you can try to ignore the message. So go to settings and then go to your messages. So go to apps and then select messages. Okay, click on the messages option. So now when you're on the messages settings, scroll all the way down and you will see under message filtering you have unknown and spam. Tap on it and then toggle this switch on. So filter unknown sentence, just toggle that on. So what happens is, when you get some unknown messages from spam messages, this will be sent to a different folder on your messages. So you will still get it, but it won't really appear on your messages or just like annoying you, you know. So you won't be really able to see it. It will go to this unknown senders list. It won't be on your known messages list here. So that's one way of avoiding it. So I hope this video